Overstaying the tourist visa is punishable by both a jail term and fine under the Thai Immigration Act.
Tourists have 5 days to renew their visa or they could get arrested. The current visa amnesty ends on September the 26th, and there isn't going to be another sudden announcement for another grace period, according to immigration officials. Those who overstay their visa will face arrest and be deported back to their home countries. Immigration officials say that there could be 150,000 foreigners currently without a visa and needing to revisit the situation before September the 26th. Otherwise, they could go to jail.
Those who don't renew their visas by this Saturday will face a daily fine.
Some foreigners who arrived earlier in the year were stuck here after March when the borders were closed and flights cancelled back to their home countries. The visa amnesty has been extended twice, but it looks like this Saturday, September the 26th, is the final deadline. Immigration police say they also plan to track down the tourists by using their addresses kept in the database. They'll be arrested and face legal action and probable deportation, and could be blacklisted from re-entering Thailand in the future, according to immigration officials. Officially, those who overstay their visa by 90 days are barred from entering Thailand for 1 year. Those who overstay for more than 10 years are banned for life. There were hopes that the end of the visa amnesty could coincide with the introduction of the new special tourist visa, so that those either unable to leave due to lack of flights or problems returning to their home countries could roll over onto the new 90-day visa. But that's not been announced at this stage. But for some foreigners, the situation is quite complicated. The Tigers actually received pleas from around about 150 people over the last 2 months, probably representative of a lot more, who seem to fall between the cracks and can't seem to find a visa that will allow them to stay in the country. Tourists unable to return home after September the 26th, the end of the tourist amnesty, due to sickness or are unable to fly, are to apply for an extension to their stay by applying to a Thai immigration office and presenting their medical certificate certifying they're unable to travel at this time. Or those who are unable to return to their home country because of a lack of flights or any other circumstances must present a letter from their country's embassy or consulate requesting that the foreigner can continue to temporarily stay in Thailand. Tourists have now 5 days to get a letter from their country's embassy and get their visa renewed. At this stage, Thai immigration have made it clear that if there are extenuating circumstances, that they will roll over a visa every 30 days, but you will have to apply each 30 days and you'll need a letter from your embassy. At this stage, only the Australian, US and British embassies have said they'll provide those letters. If you're in a situation where you can't leave the country but you do need to extend your visa, you'll need to contact your embassy urgently. You've really only got this week to get things sorted out. We'll provide all the latest information at thetiger.com. Good luck.